Competence is essential, but it alone cannot ensure success. We need a framework that supports accountability and enables the right conditions for growth and safety. Even with excellent treatment, recurring harm can persist if underlying conditions aren't addressed. A holistic approach is necessary to prevent harm from returning. Competency alone creates unrealistic expectations. We must recognize the limits of clinical competence and address broader systemic issues. It's crucial to define what competence can and cannot fix. Recognizing these boundaries helps in addressing systemic issues effectively. Competence and professional formation are vital, but they must work within a larger system of health enablement. These domains influence each other continuously. Accountability should match the power to enact change. Avoid overburdening clinicians and empower organizations to act responsibly. The LIFE framework helps manage complexity without expanding physicians' duties beyond their authority. It focuses on life, influences, fit, and evidence. Protecting CanMEDS roles from overreach ensures that each role remains focused and effective without taking on responsibilities beyond their scope. Testing the framework in clinical realities shows its adaptability and effectiveness in addressing both asthma and cardiometabolic health challenges. Addressing commercial determinants requires public authority, not just clinical advice. Effective treatment must consider broader social factors. Indigenous health requires legitimate jurisdiction, not just consultation. Empowering communities to make decisions is crucial for effective health outcomes. Preventing superficial implementation requires stress tests that ensure life-grounded corrections are made, addressing deeper causal conditions. The institutional constraints audit ensures promises have material support, preventing unfunded moral delegation and ensuring effective action. The Ottawa demonstration offers a pragmatic path forward, focusing on clinical traces, food systems, governance, and evaluation to create a sustainable framework.